Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Das Academy of Science. In this video, you will learn about phase change of matter on heating, that is melting and boiling, latent heat of fusion, latent heat of vaporization. Matter can exist in three states: solid state, liquid state, and gaseous state. For example, let us discuss the change in state of ice. Take about 100 grams of ice in a beaker. Keep the bulb of a laboratory thermometer in contact with the ice. Set up the beaker as shown in the figure on a tripod stand. Note the temperature of the ice. Heat the beaker slowly. Record the change in temperature for every 30 seconds by stirring the ice cubes continuously using a glass rod. Note the temperature when ice starts to melting. You can observe that ice is melting at 0 degrees Celsius. Let the ice melt completely and turns into liquid water. Observe whether there is any rise in temperature of mixture of ice and water. After converting the ice completely into liquid water, slowly the temperature of water rises from 0 degrees Celsius. Now continue heating till water starts boiling. Observe the temperature of the boiling water. You can notice that water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Observe whether any rise in temperature of boiling water when it is converting from liquid water into gaseous vapor. After some time, all the water will be vaporized. Observe the temperatures in all situations carefully. In this experiment, what are your observations? Does the temperature change continuously? Does the temperature remain constant for a while at any time during the period of heating? At what temperature does this happen? The observations are: the temperature of ice continuously increased till it reaches 0 degrees Celsius. When the temperature of ice reached 0 degrees Celsius, ice starts to melting and slowly changes to liquid water. Now there is no rise in temperature of mixture of solid ice and liquid water until ice melts into liquid water completely. And then there will be increase in the temperature of liquid water until it reaches 100 degrees Celsius. At this temperature, liquid water starts to boiling. Again, there will be no change in temperature of the boiling water until it completely changed into vapor or steam. So, we can understand that melting point of ice is 0 degrees Celsius, boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. Now the question is, though we are giving heat energy continuously, why there is no rise in temperature when ice is melting into water until ice completely changed into liquid water? Let us discuss the answer for this question. When the heat energy is supplied to the ice, it increases the internal energy of the molecules of the ice. This increase in internal energy of the molecules weakens the bonds as well as breaks the bonds between the molecules H2O in the ice. That is why the ice in solid phase becomes water in liquid phase. This process taken place at a constant temperature 0 degrees Celsius or 273 Kelvin. So we can define melting as follows: the process in which solid phase changes to liquid phase at a constant temperature is called melting. The constant temperature is called melting point. The temperature of the ice does not change during melting because the heat energy given to the ice is totally utilized in breaking the bonds between the water molecules. The amount of heat energy required to break the bonds to overcome the force of attraction among the molecules is given by latent heat of the substance. How much heat energy is required to convert 1 gram of ice to liquid water? The heat energy required to convert 1 gram of solid ice completely into liquid water at a constant temperature, that is 0 degrees Celsius, is called latent heat of fusion of ice. The value of latent heat of fusion of ice is 80 calories per gram. In general, consider a solid of mass m. Let Q be required heat energy to change it from the solid phase to liquid phase. The heat energy to change 1 gram of solid into liquid is Q by m. So, latent heat of fusion LF equal to Q by m. For latent heat of fusion, CGS unit is calories per gram, SI unit is joules per kilogram. Similarly, while heating the water in the beaker, the temperature of water rises continuously till it reaches 100 degrees Celsius. But when boiling process starts, the temperature of the liquid does not change, though we are giving heat energy continuously. What could be the reason for this? On supplying of heat energy to liquid water, molecules of water moving faster because of more kinetic energy attained and start moving faster. At a certain temperature, the molecules have enough energy to become free from the attraction forces between the molecules, and then liquid starts changing into gas. That is why the water in liquid phase becomes vapor in gaseous phase. This process takes place at a constant temperature 100 degrees Celsius or 373 Kelvin at atmospheric pressure. So, we can define boiling as follows. The process in which liquid phase changes to gaseous phase at a constant temperature at a given pressure is called boiling. The constant temperature is called boiling point of the liquid. Again, the question is, though we are giving heat energy continuously, why there is no rise in temperature when boiling water completely changed into vapor or steam? The temperature of the boiling does not change during boiling because the heat energy given to the water is totally utilized in breaking the forces of the attraction between the water molecules. The amount of heat energy required to overcome the force of attraction among the molecules is given by latent heat of vaporization of the substance. How much heat energy is required to convert 1 gram of water to vapor? The heat energy required to convert 1 gram of liquid water completely into steam or vapor at a constant temperature, that is 100 degrees Celsius, is called latent heat of vaporization of water. The value of latent heat of vaporization of water is 540 calories per gram. In general, consider a liquid of mass m. Let Q be required heat energy to change it from the liquid phase to gaseous phase. The heat energy to change 1 gram of liquid into gas is Q by m. So, latent heat of vaporization LV equal to Q by m. For latent heat of vaporization, CGS unit is calories per gram, SI unit is joules per kilogram. Thank you. If you like this video, please share and subscribe my channel, Das Academy of Science.